Hey everyone, today we're going to be flipping a rattan wicker bar cart. I'm Manny and this is Nikolai Design. We're transforming the world one room at a time. Before we start, make sure you subscribe down below. I really need those subscribers, I really need the likes. Hit the like button. Now let's get on with the video. Today we're going to be transforming a wicker rattan bar cart that I actually picked up at a thrift store. I was thrift shopping one day and I stumbled upon it. I didn't have enough space in my trunk to fit it, but I knew that I wanted it, so I reserved it. It was at a Salvation Army. It was yellow. It was painted yellow. It had like wood stain and like yellow, a weird mix. I didn't really like it, but I knew that the piece had potential. The wicker for the most part was intact. Had to be touched up here and there, but nothing that couldn't be easily fixed. So I reserved the piece, went back to pick it up, and this is what we did with it. The easiest way to remove dust from these pieces, especially because they're so detailed and intricate, is to just use a leaf blower as I'm doing right here. Then I'll go in with a TSP cleaner and kind of take off all the grease and any residue that might be on the piece. The piece had these decorative arches that were broken in the front, so I took two from the back, removed them, and placed them in the front, kind of to make up for that discrepancy that we had. On the back, you won't notice they're missing anyway, so this is like a nice touch. So for this project, I wanted to use Nutmeg by Rust-Oleum, but I went to two different Home Depots and they were sold out. And I also wasn't completely sold on the tone of the color, so I went to Lowe's and I picked up Khaki by Krylon. And I know it seems like it's super tacky or like, this is kind of ghetto. Like I literally didn't want to buy this because I felt it was so ghetto to buy this. Like I'm sure they sell this paint at Walmart, but it gave it a really nice finish, and the rattan, like the color that it took was really, really believable that it was like an original. So I really actually recommend this. It had good coverage. It's satin khaki by Krylon. I ended up using two of them, but this was nice. And for the wheels, I used metallic gold by Rust-Oleum. Usually it doesn't come out like this, or ever, it never comes out like this. But those wheels, for some reason, they came out pretty decent. They were shiny, they had a like, nice gleam, nice shine to them. They were sparkling, and the piece overall came out really nice. Okay, so let's break it down. We bought the piece for 40 and change. Put about 2.5 hours of labor between going to Home Depot, Lowe's, picking the piece up, and painting it. If we calculate at 2.5 hours at $30 per hour, that is a total of $75. And then for the paint itself, we spent 2 cans of the Krylon. So that's $10. And then I already had the gold, didn't even use $1 worth, but we'll calculate $12 worth. So in total, we spent $127 for materials and time invested, and the piece sold for $300. So my return was $173 of profit, plus I already paid myself. We're not getting rich off of this, but we can definitely make a decent living if we're choosing the right pieces and working on them properly, making sure we're giving our pieces the best care and finishes. That's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe below. That really helps out the channel. Share this if you like it. My Instagram is nikolai.design. If you want to follow my personal Instagram, it's Emmanuel Manny. EMMANUELMANNY. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.